So to power the Yaosheng unit, you need a DC supply, somewhere between 12 volt to 30 volt, obviously typically vehicles, marine, that sort of thing. In this instance, what I'll be showing is connected through to a normal DC power bank. For the Starlink standard, I'd recommend something which can push out in a region of 20 amps. Shouldn't need as much as that. Really, the peak requirement is around about 160 to 180 watts, so as long as you've got a supply which can do that, but that's going to be outside the range of a typical car cigarette lighter. With a Starlink standard actuated, that is within the range of a normal car cigarette lighter output or accessory port outlet these days. So we have markings here for plus, minus and remote. Ignore the remote for the moment. On the plus side there is a screw. Of course, on all of these it's exactly the same. Take that out. Nice to have a magnetic screwdriver. There we go. Okay, so I'm using some pretty chunky cable here. I'm no electrician, so if you are to install this, I'd say have a little bit of confidence in your skills, or alternatively get a proper trained electrician to do this for you, or car mechanic or marine mechanic. Right, so just screw it in quite simply. Take this one out. I'm sure this is boring everybody. There we go. And wire this in. Without trying to cross. There we go. Make sure you don't cross thread it. And then find a power supply. So having connected an external power supply, this is 12 volts, 10 amps. Press the power button and you can see that the status light is flashing white on and off. That means there is no Starlink standard actually connected at this time. Obviously press it off so there's no power running through it. Okay, so next video will be just showing the addition of the remote button. Thank you very much for watching so far.